Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we talk about how I won the 3D Printing Nerd live stream giveaway, or at least I won one of the items, and it was from FilamentOne. It was their subscription box service where they give away PLA filament. I cannot thank Joel, the 3D Printing Nerd, enough for this. It's such an awesome thing to do, this mega giveaway that he did, so please, if you haven't, go subscribe to his channel. He does such awesome content with 3D printing, and it's one of the reasons why I started my own 3D printing channel. So it came in this nice FilamentOne box, and these two huge spools of PLA plus filament. You got some really nice red and some really nice blue. And so they're the PLA Pro Select, so that'll be cool to see because I've never worked with this filament before, so really excited to do something with it. Please let me know in the comments down below what I should make with this. It is kind of a lot of filament, so I want to make something nice and big and pretty cool. Something unique would be awesome too, so give me a suggestion down in the comments. These are some of the things that came with it. So you got the two filament things, you got a waffle kind of snack thing. I don't know if I'll actually eat that, but interesting that they put it in with their packages. And got the instruction manual as well as the really nice and big rolls of PLA filament. The rolls of filament also came with a really nice nozzle too. You can see that on the right hand side when I zoom out a bit here. And I'll be interesting to try that out as well. I can replace the one that's currently on my CR10 and try that new one out. So really nice with this glint red and the glint blue. Super excited to try them out, and thank you again to Joel for doing his giveaway. So again, please let me know down in the comments below what you want to see me make with this awesome filament. Really excited to try it out, and because it was free, I get to experiment a bit and make anything that I don't normally make, so excited to do that down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. Until next time, build your nerddom.